Hello, my name is Imran Aslam. Today I am going to give a demonstration on the Steam System Modeler application. Today we are going to discuss first of all the installation procedure of the application, and later I will discuss the main features of the application. So let's start first of all with the installation procedure of the application. So if you have already downloaded the setup file from the website, here you can double click on the setup file and immediately the system installation procedure will start. Here from the language you can select the language either from English, Spanish or French. After selecting the language, press OK. It will take you to the license agreement window where you can select I accept the agreement option and then press the next button. It will take you to the information screen. Then again pressing the next button will take you to the option where it asks you to create a desktop shortcut for the application. Now it is always good to have a desktop shortcut of the application so that you can run the application straight from your desktop anytime in the future. So that is why I will just leave the check mark of this desktop shortcut over here and then press next button. Now here is the final step of the installation. If I press the install button, the application will be installed on the computer in a few seconds. Now since I have this Steam System Modeler application installed on my desktop, so I am not going to press the install button. Instead I will just cancel the installation procedure, get out of this installation procedure utility and go to my desktop where I have already created a desktop shortcut for the application. Now double clicking on the desktop application shortcut, the application will be launched immediately on your screen. This application contains 7 different sub applications in it. So the main purpose of the application is to perform the heat and mass balance of the major equipment and the components those are installed or involved in the Steam System model. So let's look at what are the applications integrated in the main application. For that you can go to the menu bar over here below the title bar and press the Steam and Power Application menu option. Once you press that, you will find out the list of all the 7 utilities or 7 sub applications included in the main application, whereas the deaerator calculation is the first one that is launched on the startup of the application, and you can see the check mark against this application. If you want to start any other application, you can just simply click or select on that application. The application will be launched immediately. Now on the menu bar you will have the file menu. In that file menu you have a sub menu which is a new menu to start the new instance of any application, and the exit menu to exit the application. Also the about menu to check the basic information about the developer and the application, and another menu is the help menu on the menu bar, which is very important. By pressing the help menu you can launch the manual of the Steam System application. In this manual you can further read out the detailed guideline on each step while running or using this application. All the picture, graphics and the indications are mentioned with the details and narrative in the manual. So coming back to the main application. On the main application you will have an input section on the left hand side where the user needs to provide the basic information or the necessary information for the application to run. Also the user can select the unit of measures for each input variables from this drop down button over here as per the requirement. Also the unit of Myers can be changed or selected for the results from this option between imperial and SI units. Now here you can see, while I am changing the units of this result section, the results input, the results variable unit of Myers are changing at the same time, and the application is running accordingly. Now once you select all this option, you can press the calculate button, the application will run. But as you have seen that the application is dynamically developed, so that any time when the user select any of the given unit of Myers or any variable on the change of any variable, the application will run instantly and refresh the application results. Similarly, if I select any of these units, the application will change its unit of Myers and the results get refreshed. Now once the application results are done, then the user can get the printout of this result by clicking on the print preview button over here. So when the user click on this print preview button, the print preview window will open and it shows the results on the A4 size paper. Once the user is satisfied with the results, the user can simply press the print icon over here on the left hand side, and the results will get printed in the PDF format, which can be saved on the desktop or sent to the printer to get the paper copy of this printout. So basically here you can save the PDF copy of the results, and then later you can email it or print it out through the printer. Now coming back to the application again, I will close this print preview option here, and then the second option available on the application is to get the print or send the results straight away to the printer that is installed or connected to the computer, or saving the file straight away in the PDF format. Okay, the next option is the exit button over here. While clicking the exit button, the application will be exit immediately from the computer. Now in the similar way, if you go to the Steam and Power application menu over here, in the similar fashion the user can launch any of the other utilities just like that by just simply selecting the option. By selecting the option, the check mark will be put against this application, showing that this application is currently active on the screen. And again, by simply pressing the calculate button, the user can get the results or change the unit of Myers. The units of Myers, the application results will be updated and refreshed accordingly. So in a similar way, if I go quickly through the other application available in the main application, the user can see and launch all this application one by one and get the results. Also, on the main menu bar, the user can click on this website link to review more chemical engineering applications for the future use or purchase. So that's it for today. Thank you very much for watching this demonstration. Hope you like the video. For the more informative videos on the applications, stay tuned. Thank you very much. Bye bye.